Hello guys, today we're going to play Saint the Bow. Is that a SS California? Like what? Okay, we have a challenge now. We're going to the boiler room and we're going to survive. And we're now draining. Okay. No! I didn't know that. What the fort? Okay, we are now sinking. We're not. This is not good. This is not good, bro. Okay, the challenge is into a bad start. So, oh my! Go down. This is it. Uh, okay, I'm being weird. I don't know why. Hey, open up. Let's go. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Hey, yo, you. Shut up. I don't want anything, bro. I wanna escape. Let's go. I almost died there, bro. In this game, there's you can sink with the ship, but with air tights. Yeah, that's a little bit. So we're going to survive. So where should we stay? Ooh, grand staircase, not bad. So actually, it's not a grand staircase. Get up. We don't need to relax right now because we're in a sinking ship right now. Are we sinking? Because I think we're not. So we're going to the back of the ship because I think there's some concern in here. Oh my! Are you serious right now? Guys, help! Oh, what's this? Let's go! Let's go! Ma. Okay, well, we're going to our spawn. Okay, we're back. And why we're going to the ocean? Like what? Okay, we're going to do the bridge. This is not good. I'm the captain now, guys. I am the captain. I'm gonna stay this boat because I am the captain. No manies. No. Attention passengers. We have some baby captain here. I am the baby. That's a little bit weird. I don't know why did I do that. So let's see the bridge. Let's see the front of the deck. Oh my gosh. And is this lifeboats? Okay, some I don't know what's wrong with the lifeboats. Okay, maybe we can stay here. I don't know. But it's gonna take long. So I think we're going to go. But there's no one there. We're going to go here. So we're going to close this. Airtight doors. Airtight. We're going to tight the air. Okay. Are you serious right now? Who is inside the where? Hello? Oh my god, there's a dead body here. Okay. Are you serious right now? A third torpedo. Who is torpedoing us? Okay, we need to hurry because I think we're going to sink. because we have a challenge and we need to survive this bout. Yeah, I'm tired. It's okay. I'm gonna relax with the coffee or marshmallow coffees. I don't know. Wait, it makes me fast. Oh yes, sir. Okay, I don't know if we can stay here. Ooh. Wait, I think we can stay him here. Well, you know, I don't wanna because you guys don't. You guys were not gonna see the windows. Yeah. We need to find that is good, bro. Not the hit. I was thinking randomly. Goodbye! Oh my! Open up! Open up! Wow. This outstanders, bro. So good, so good. I'm really fast, bro. Not bad until we close these doors. Are we gonna stuck here? Because we need to close the doors until because we're going to die. So we're here. Not bad at all. I hope there's. We need to close in the outside. Oh hell nah! Oh gosh. We need to run. No, we're going to run. Or we're just gonna stay here. Oh hell nah! Never mind. Never mind. Don't know. Can you open the door? Thank you. Oh my god! Somebody just slipped. Somebody just slipped. Bro is clumsy. Okay. Ah! Get out! How are we gonna... Am I gonna sleep here? That's so lovely. And I am sleeping with... I'm standing. Can I jump? Finally! Oh! Wait, I can go here. I can go here. I can go here! So good, bro. So good. No, 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 no. I wish I stay in the bathroom. Wait, I think I can. I think I can. Nah. Okay, there's a little bit concerning. We're going to run. Every door is locked now. Oh my gosh. I think we need to run. I think we need to run. Oh my. Wait. Light boats. Oh, light boats. Look here, I think we're going to do the last, you know, the near to God T. Okay, who is driving the boat? Because we need to survive that island for 100 days. Can we do the gun? Oh well. Yay, fibers! Okay. We survived. Okay, we survived. Okay, that boat is now gone. I don't know why. But I think we need to save the others in there. They're all trapped, and who is that? Oh well, thank you guys for saving me. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. If you want part 2, please put it in the comments. Bye.